Welcome to the Unova Excel for HR course. In this chapter, we'll learn how to build a basic payroll calculator in Microsoft Excel to calculate employee salaries automatically based on basic pay, allowances, and deductions. Let's get started. To begin, open a new Excel workbook and create column headers such as Employee ID, Employee Name, Basic Salary, HRA, Other Allowances, Gross Salary, Deductions, and Net Pay. You can also include optional columns like Department, Designation, or Month for better tracking. Once your headers are set, enter employee details and salary components in each row. This structure helps you organize payroll data in a clear, easy-to-read format. Next, let's calculate the gross salary. The gross salary is the total of all earnings before deductions. In the gross salary column, type a formula like equals C2 plus D2 plus E2 if basic salary, HRA, and other allowances are in columns C, D, and E respectively. This will automatically sum up all earnings for each employee. You can drag this formula down to apply it to the rest of your dataset. Now, it's time to calculate net pay by subtracting deductions from the gross salary. In the net pay column, type equals F2 minus G2 if your gross salary is in column F and deductions are in column G. The result will show the final amount payable to each employee after deductions. This helps HR teams quickly generate accurate payroll calculations without manual errors. You can further automate your payroll calculator by adding formulas for standard deductions such as Provident Fund and professional tax. For example, to calculate PF at 12% of basic salary, add a PF column and type equals C2 multiplied by 12%. Similarly, for professional tax, enter a fixed value or a conditional formula like equals if open bracket F2 greater than 15,000, 200, 150 close bracket based on salary slabs. Then, use the sum function to total all deductions automatically. Let's make the payroll sheet more insightful by adding summary formulas. At the bottom of your sheet, use equals sum open bracket F2 colon F20 close bracket to calculate total gross salary and equals sum open bracket H2 colon H20 close bracket for total net pay. This gives a quick overview of the company's total payout for the month. You can also use average formulas to determine the average salary per employee. To make your payroll calculator more presentable, apply formatting such as bold headers, currency symbols, and cell borders. Select the salary columns, go to Home, Number Format, Currency to display values in your preferred format. Conditional formatting can also be used to highlight high or low salaries automatically. That's it! You now know how to create a basic payroll calculator in Microsoft Excel to calculate gross salary, deductions, and net pay accurately and efficiently. In Unova HRMS, payroll calculations like gross salary, PF, deductions, and net pay are automatically processed in the payroll module based on predefined salary structures and compliance rules. Thank you for watching.